Yeah, fucking remix. You know, me, the nigga D. What's up with it, bro?
I was there too.
Yeah, murder boy. Yeah, we gonna talk other shit about this nigga, man. Jaquan, Chung, Kev, Jill,
Larry.
all them niggas, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you like this, man. Listen. Fucking niggas, man, y'all niggas say hate and you wanna be in my place, but you said he ain't. Why the fuck you mad at me when Quan go? I would ban motherfucking Lee. I think that's her name. Kev shouldn't be talking at all. He smell like pee. That nigga ain't tall. That nigga look kinda grimy in a white tee. I slapped the nigga up. That nigga bitch on me. Trump should be even talking either. It's slick back with old like 98 years ago. What the fuck? That nigga got a mohawk. Think he's hella cute when he ain't pulling Noah out. That nigga just tripping, dog. He think he goes to the club looking fly. He really ain't that motherfucking guy. He talk a lot of shit, but can't back it up, dog. Jaquan. You think like shit, and your bitch look like dick. She looks like, man, you need help. Kev, don't say shit, chill, you think. What the fuck is Larry Reid talking fucking about? What the fuck is Lee Joe even is about? Smoking that crack. The nigga G suck motherfucker dick. I seen it, I heard that nigga G's gay. He went to Frisco just to fuck a guy in the ass. Oh wow, did he say in the ass? No, I think he just